welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel. And today I have, as promised, a 500 subscriber giveaway for you guys. And this one is really exciting because instead of one winner, it's going to be 3 separate winners. And each winner will get to pick what jelly wax melt they want, which is very exciting. So let me show you guys the potential prize options. If you guys have never seen them, these are the jelly wax melts that I sell on my website. So let's just go through these really quickly so you guys know kind of the scent profiles of each one and kind of how they work. So this is Cosmic Candy. This is one that I just take to craft shows with me. And it's just the pink color, and then there's little stars you probably can't see on camera. So they're really stretchy and gooey and squishy. And all of these jelly wax melts you just add to your wax warmer. And once they run out of scent, you can just peel them off and throw them away. So they're a lot easier than typical wax melts. Let me show you guys the pull on these. Really fun, and they're just a great alternative to people that don't want to deal with the mess of soy wax melts. So that's scent number 1, and it smells like strawberry, raspberry, and it's just a kind of a fruity scent. Next up is Sakura Shiba. This one is like a spring scent, and of course the Shiba Inu at the front. Then each one of these has like a little petal. It's probably hard to see on camera, but just to represent like cherry blossoms. And this one smells like cherry blossoms and vanilla. I'll show you guys the peel on this one. Smells really good. It's just a sweet floral scent. So that's option number 2. And now for option number 3. Now this one will be the best one for the upcoming season for fall. This one is Pumpkin Patch Cat, my personal favorite. And it smells like pumpkin, caramel, and vanilla. So you guys can see, you just peel it apart, and each one has a little pumpkin. It kind of dissolves a little bit, but there's a little pumpkin in each one, and then the white, of course, on top. Just smells really good, and this is the candle that's burning behind me. Same fragrance oil, so it smells really good. And this is probably the most highly scented of the jelly wax melts. So now that I've gone over all 3, each winner will get to pick between one of these 3 options, and of course I'll pay for shipping and handling. All you have to let me know is where you live so I can just send these over right to you. So now let me tell you guys how you can enter to win. I'll also have these rules and all of that in the description box, so it's a lot easier to follow than me rambling on about them. So for entry method number 1, all you have to do is comment below which one of these, if you did win, you would love to have, and then just like a social media handle so that way I can contact you. Like if you wanted the Pumpkin Patch Cat, you just put Pumpkin Patch Cat and then like Instagram dash and then whatever your username is so I can get a hold of you if you did win. Next up is kind of along the same line of those is if you follow me on any social media between now and the end date. I'll have it on the screen. I'm not sure as of time of recording when the start and end date will be. So between these 2 times, if you follow me on any social media, you just comment down below like Instagram and then your handle, so that way I know this person followed between this time, and I will add those to the giveaway. So if you did Facebook, that would be 1 entry, then another comment Instagram, I would just add all of those. Next up, a really easy one is signing up for emails at sweetstarcandles.com. If you don't know what sweetstarcandles.com is, it's basically my website for my personal shop. So if you go to the website, so you'll get a pop-up that says sign up for emails. You put in your email and I'll see between the time, and that will be an entry to win. So now for the final way of entry for 5 entries into the giveaway. All you have to do is order something from sweetstarcandles.com or Fair or Bulletin, which are wholesale websites. If you go to sweetstarcandles.com or Fair and use this code, it will give you a % off just to thank you for watching all the way through the video. These mainly support me the most. So I wanted to offer a little bit of a higher amount of entries for these, but if you follow all the other steps, you should have the same, if not more, entries with the other methods. I also wanted to let you guys know in this video that on Fair, I'm now offering white label products for candles, soy wax melts, and jelly wax melts. So if you like the look of like a certain video on the channel, for example, I would make those wholesale for you, and all you would have to do is add your label. So I'm now offering that on Fair, which is really exciting. I'm really excited to do custom projects for you guys, and I just want to let you guys know on this video. But thank you guys for watching, and I wish all of you tons of luck. And just thank you guys again for supporting the channel, and I can't wait to do more giveaways in the future. So the giveaway will end on this date, and I will be doing an uncut recording of basically the randomized drawing, so that way you guys can see live on camera who the winners are, and that will be next week's video. But thank you everyone for watching, and good luck to everyone. I wish I could give you everybody jelly wax melts, but sadly it'll just be 3 winners and they get to pick which one that they want. But thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Good luck everybody.